American health officials say 157 pregnant women in the U.S. have tested positive for the infection, and more than 120 others in U.S. territories, notably Puerto Rico. Most had traveled to areas like Brazil, where Zika is prevalent, or had had sex with someone from there.
So we got to get moving.
On Friday, U.S. President Barack Obama told leading health officials he's asking for nearly $2 billion in emergency funding.
We want to be able to feel safe and secure, and families who are of childbearing years want to feel as if they can have confidence that when they travel, when they want to start a family, that this is not an issue. To the extent that that's something that we think is important, then this is a pretty modest investment for us to get those assurances.
The money, Obama says, will be used to support things like vaccines and mosquito eradication. He said a wall won't prevent the virus-carrying insect from entering the U.S. The Senate had approved nearly half of the money. The Republican-led House agreed to finance less than a third by cutting funding to existing programs such as Ebola. U.S. health officials say the move is inadequate and short-sighted. Meanwhile, global health officials say they've confirmed for the first time the Brazilian strain of the Zika virus in Africa, in Cape Verde. The Portuguese-speaking island country is a popular holiday destination for many European tourists. 170 pregnant women are among those infected, and at least 3 babies have been diagnosed with microcephaly, a birth defect believed to be linked to Zika.
As a first step, countries should heighten risk communication in order to raise the public's awareness of complications associated with Zika virus disease and to promote protection at the individual level to avoid mosquito bites as well as sexual transmission of the virus.
Moeti says there's now proof the South American virus is, quote, on the doorstep of Africa. She's ruled out travel restrictions as a way to stop the spread of the virus, calling instead for greater education and prevention efforts, the type Obama says he hopes to fund right here in the U.S. Roe Rettenberg, CCTV in Washington.